Governors' unchecked powers threaten the Constitution, bypassing state legislatures. Despite the Supreme Court's efforts, the referral of bills to the President undermines federalism. Governors are misusing their powers by indefinitely delaying bills, unnecessarily referring them to the President, and neglecting the decisions of elected state legislatures. Supreme Court cases in Punjab, Tamil Nadu, and Telangana highlight the need for governors to act promptly on bills and avoid overstepping their constitutional boundaries. In Kerala and West Bengal, governors' actions have led to rejected bills and challenges due to inaction, highlighting the need for more accountability. The misuse of governors' powers is disrupting the balance between the center and states, weakening cooperative federalism and threatening state autonomy. Governors are misinterpreting constitutional provisions like Articles 200, 201, and 163, leading to improper use of their powers and undermining legislative processes. Governors should act impartially and constitutionally rather than as agents of the center, to respect the federal structure and autonomy of states. Judicial intervention is needed to ensure timely action on bills, establish clear criteria for presidential referrals, and define the limits of governors' powers. Governors' actions are weakening India's federal structure, disrupting the balance of power between the center and states, and eroding trust in the central government. Reforms are necessary to establish clear timelines for action on bills, develop criteria for presidential referrals, and involve states in the appointment of governors. Protecting democratic values requires respecting the decisions of elected representatives, balancing the powers of the legislature, executive, and judiciary, and ensuring transparency in governors' actions. Adhering to constitutional values, respecting state legislatures' powers, and following Supreme Court directives will restore balance and uphold the democratic process. To get free study material and PDF content, join us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, and WhatsApp.